Next, we will crochet the soil part. The soil part is similar to the bottom of the pot. We need to switch to green yarn in order to match the size crocheted for the bottom. The soil part is also crocheted using 2 strands of yarn together. Wrap the yarn first. Start crocheting from anywhere you like. Normally, I will start from the middle. For the soil part, we will use green yarn. Do 36 double crochet. To differentiate between the soil and the pot, we need to crochet the back loop only. Just like this. Pull through the loops. Do 2 chain stitches. Let's do a double crochet in the chain stitch. The first double stitch and the 2 chain stitches are done in the same crochet. Next, let's do the second double crochet, back loop only. We've finished 2 double stitches, back loop only. Here is the third double crochet. The fourth one. Repeat again, we need to crochet 36 double crochet. Please note, the slip stitch and chain stitch do not count as stitches. Here is a slip stitch, just skip it. Once finished, do a slip stitch with the first stitch. Pull through all the loops. Do 2 chain stitches for the round 2. Round 1 done. Next, we will proceed with decreasing the number of stitches. Corresponding to the bottom, we will decrease 1 stitch every other stitch. Crochet towards the center of the soil. I will demonstrate. Do a double crochet first. Next, do a double stitch 2 together. I will demonstrate it too. Wrap the yarn. Insert through the 2 front loops only in sequence, just like this. Then pull it through to front loops only. This is 1 double crochet 2 together. I will demonstrate another double crochet 2 together. Move to the next stitch. Do a double stitch first. Insert through the 2 front loops only in sequence. Pull through the 2 loops. Wrap the yarn. Pull through the first 2 loops. Pull through the last 2 loops. Finished. Let's repeat more times. We have reduced the stitches successfully. Then do a slip stitch at the first stitch. Tighten the yarn. Since now, we have finished the round 9. Okay, let's crochet the final round of the soil. We will reduce from the current 24 stitches to 12 stitches. Crochet double crochet together for each stitch. Wrap the yarn first. Insert the next 2 front loops only. Pull through the first 2 loops. Pull through the last 2 loops. This is our first double crochet 2 together. Let's begin the second double crochet 2 together. Here is the third double crochet 2 together. We have finished the 12 double crochet 2 together. Next, we need to stuff cotton inside the pot. For the convenience of stuffing cotton, let's not do slip stitches for now. Leave it a bit larger. Just stuff the pot to make it plump, no need to make it particularly large. Let's do the slip stitch at the first stitch. Do a chain stitch, and make it tight. Leave a long tail of yarn, then cut it off. We will use this tail to secure the leaves later. The hole in the middle of the soil is still quite large. Let's tighten it up. Insert the hook into the half loop only. Pull the yarn through the loops. Then, tight the yarn. The hole disappears. For now, you have done the most difficult part. Let's continue.